Hi, this is Gizzard Gary. You may know me as a host of Foul Territory, but today I'm here to talk to you about an IndieGoGo campaign for GunTube and GunTube Chamber. And I'm going to put the link down below. But basically, GunTube is trying to raise money to buy some hardware, buy some servers, do some coding to provide us with a 2A friendly platform for live streaming as well as video hosting, which has been around for a couple of years now. We're wanting to get this into gear, and that takes money. So we've got an IndieGoGo campaign out there that Night Strike has started. It's well on its way. In fact, it's got probably a little under a day and a half left to go, and they're getting close to their goal, but they still need your help. So if you could go to that website and either contribute, if you can't afford to contribute, please share, so we can get this funded and get a good Pro 2A solution for video hosting and live streaming for all of us. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.